Okay, I started both cameras at the same time. Yet another fun one. Today is, what is today? April 25, 2018. Okay. Noon time. Yahoo. Okay. So I'm just wanting to show you here is that this is where these were. Okay, so they were there. I drug them out from way up underneath there. Okay, so alright, so now I'm just backing out of here. Alright. Using two cameras, leaving the phones there. Alright, so and then I walk here, literally using, well, there are the Sanyos I made a video about yesterday, and then there's a couple of Tectronic and a Conic, and then just everything in here. Alright, here's a little Quasar that I shot a video about yesterday. That, heck, if I can just flip it around, and oh, it doesn't show the, well, I put the back on, it doesn't show, but it's I can't remember, you look it up, it's rare, never been seen before. That computer's doing something. Got two computers running. Alright, and don't know what else I was going to say, just, okay, well, I don't know. Now let me just walk in here. Alright, okay, so walk in here. I'm going to set this camera down, and hopefully, let's see here, well, here, just be a quick overview. Okay, there's, again, I'm holding two cameras so I can get this done right. Alright, so I'm watching stuff happen there, who knows. I'm going to put this one here on the tripod, and the other one's going to stand on its own little feet here as I try to go through this real quickly. Alright, oh no, did I stop that one? I did. Oh gosh darn, let me start over again. That'll be interesting. Yeah, I did hit it, the rear button by mistake. So now it's recording again. Fabulous. Well, that'll just be, well, okay. Alright, so that looks like that there. Okay, great. So, alright, so, let's see here. So, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so let me put this on the tripod. Alright, angle it up. I guess I'll start here at the bottom. Hopefully you can hear this one working. Let's see here. Rotate this one around so I can see what it's seeing. There we go. Alright, this one here on the bottom is this Sansui CP-99W. Okay, meaning double decks. I got this plugged into the headphones because the speakers don't do anything. I was trying to get sound out of it. But let me let you listen to what it does when you first turn it on. This deck runs, and that's it. And it goes away. I don't know if you heard that, but it just spun up and then died. Okay? Then we flip it over to, we got it on tuner, flip it to AM here. We can tune the radio, alright? You can tune the radio, and then there it's locked on something, but run the volume up and down, it just doesn't do a blooming thing. No sound out here, and unplug it. Still no sound, but it's getting a power level indicator here saying it's doing something. The speakers are plugged in on the back. I'll show you that later maybe. Alright, so that just doesn't do anything, so I'll leave that alone. Now this one here, which is a Sansui CP-77W. Well, that's what I wanted to do. Well, let me see here. If I go to Google, I've got the keyboard right here. Yeah. I type in SANSUI CP-77W, enter, and then okay, let's look under more videos. So there's a video I made, Decent Man for You, Boombox Good to Go, that's also me. And then of course here's the boombox is set to go. This is a video I made a long time ago. Only 8,000 views. And when I made this, published on 6. This camera here can't see this. Let me flip this camera over so you can see it. I don't know if the other camera can see it, but there it is. There's the happy video that I made about this stack of stuff way back when. Okay. Put this back here. There goes a cassette. Who cares? Got thousands of cassettes. Alright, so there's that. Let's see, you really can't see that. What can this see? I can't even... You can't see that either. So here, just there it is. There's a video I made. Yay. Continuing on. Alright, so now this one, okay, that doesn't do anything. So now we're going to power this one on.
Y'all, this is Cardi B, and right now, this song is called Drip, me featuring Migos. Came through drippin', drip, drip. At 97.9W. Came through drip, drip, drip. Came through drip, drip, drip. Came through drip, drip, drip. That was on my wrist, they drippin'. Ice. Came through drippin'.
I don't know what that is, but here we got, this was tuned into something. This has a beeping noise in that channel. I don't know what that is. Here, wait. What happened here? There's locked. Alright, so I don't want to sell that music, so let me run that down. Okay, and then this one's ran all the way down, but as you can get still sound from it, meaning that these need to be cleaned. Alright, so then let's see here. You can't see that. We're listening to my own video up here. I guess I got to pick this up by hand. Alright, here, pick it up by hand. Rotate this thing around again. So did you see that? I don't know if you saw that or not. Alright, so let's see here. And then if we take this and just run it up to the top here. So to replay this one, it's on. It's on. So okay, so that works. Turn that off. What is this? Turn the video off. Gosh, all right. There. And then the red one is a Sanyo CP-55W. Okay, and it what does it do? Can you see that up there? Yeah, you can. All right, so.
Now we can solve that form. Yeah, Cardi B.
Okay. This one.
It's like the walls are caving in.
I don't want to sell that music. And then lastly we have a Sansui FX-300R. Now this one here, let me see, I guess I should bring it down to the table because I have it stacked up, so I'll just run this down, bring you down. Okay, so here's this, right? And you see it, you can see it. Can we see it here? Yeah, okay, so here. Okay, so if we hit play on the tape, alright. Okay, well it does that, and if you flip it over to radio, you won't believe this, but this has never worked before until I made this video. I was going to show you this thing not working, and now it's working. I don't understand it. This is amazing to me.
10:29 now. But okay, I don't think okay. In the past, she used to outline her lip.
I don't believe it. Honest to God, I don't believe it. This thing was not working for the past months. I just put new batteries in it. I'll be damned. Golly, let's see. That's just amazing. I mean, okay, I don't want to get off on myself too much. Just that's, I thought it was broke. I mean, I rebelted it way back when, but I could never get the sound to come out of it. So now it's working. This is friggin' amazing. Let's see here. Wait. Okay, the door never does want to fly open anymore. So. right. Man, that's amazing to me. I'm sorry. I thought I was going to try and sell this. Maybe I'll keep it now. Alright, well, I've had too much fun. Let me shut off both these cameras. This one's a lot longer. Here, I'll let you look. See, I'm up here talking to you. Yeah, I'm just having fun here. Okay, so much for that. So, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I got to go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and repair the red one here. But I just wanted to get these all out here and show them all off once again. It's been since, since 2011 that these have been seen by humans other than me. Alright, good day. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go.